Okay, drone pool here. I got some mail the other day from a company called NIDICI. I think that's how you pronounce it. NIDICI. They are a FPV parts company, and they sent me this bag of pads for my quads, which I really needed. And I just noticed actually that there is a strap in there. I didn't even notice that. So I got a strap too, and it says NIDICI FPV. Okay, and I'll link their website, and they do have a Facebook page too, which would be cool for you to go check out. So they sent me these pads. I have 2 top battery mounted quads, so I put some on this quad, and I still need to put a couple on put some on this quad, which I'm glad I got these. That way I might feel a little bit comfortable trying to land on harder surfaces like asphalt or something. So yeah, I'm glad I got these in the mail. They sent me this little prop tool. It's metal. It's got 8mm, 10, and 5.5. It's got 8mm on these 2 corners. So this is handy. Doesn't take up much space in your bag or whatever. So yeah, thank you very much. And I hope I'm pronouncing this right. I'm saying NIDICI or NIDICI. So, and then they sent me one of these, the JHE42B SRC signal font. What it is, it's a battery operated buzzer. Right here. Now you can wire this to work like a regular buzzer also, and it recharges itself. And what happens is, if you fling your battery or lose your battery, it detects that there's no power, and supposedly within 30 seconds this is supposed to start beeping to help you find your quad. You just hook the green wire to the negative buzzer pad, and then you find a 5-volt for the power and ground it. You don't hook both power and ground to the battery, just to the buzzer, just the green to the negative, and find 2 other pads to solder these 2. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this up and see what we can get. And I'm actually going to put it on this quad. I do have a beeper on here, but it's very, very weak, and supposedly this is supposed to be a lot louder. There's been a few mixed reviews, but hopefully this is a good one. So I'll go ahead and get this ready to install, and then we'll come back in a minute and test it out. Alright, be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. So I got it wired up. I have the green wire soldered to the negative buzzer, and I have the ground and 5 volts just soldered to the LED pads. I wasn't using the LED, and I had them open. The power is 5 volts, so that's what I needed. So guess we'll see if this works. So grab a battery. So Okay, I don't know if you can see in the camera, I have a red light here on the buzzer, so it's got power to it. So supposedly when you unplug the battery, within 30 seconds it will send out a beacon. So let's say you're flying, you crashed, you lost your battery, like what happened to me a couple of weeks ago. It took me a minute to find it. Well, it took me 20 minutes to find it, which would have been nice if I would have had one of these. I could have found it sooner. So let's just see if this works. I'm going to unplug the battery. Okay. Now it's still flashing. The red light is still flashing. So within 30 seconds it's supposed to send out a beacon or a noise, so we'll see. So while we're waiting, I want to show you another package I got when I'm done wrapping this up, that I'm kind of been wanting to open up for a few days. So let's see what happens. Should be coming pretty quick. And there you go, you see the white light come on. And now I will tell you this, it's not that loud. I wish it was a little bit louder, but it's better than nothing if you lose your battery, so there's something there. Now to shut it off, there's a little button right here that you just hold for 2 seconds and it should shut it off. So I'm going to go ahead and hold it down after it beeps one more time. Ooh. Okay, here we go. I'm going to hold this button down. And it shut off. So I'm guessing it seems like it works as advertised. A buzzer that will notify you where your quad is if you lose your battery. Alright, so I guess now I gotta put this all back together, which it isn't that bad. So, alright, I want to thank NIDICI for sending me this. And like I said, I will put a link down below to their website and to their Facebook page. If you can check them out, that'd be cool. And what I'm going to open up this real quick since everyone's here. Now, if you were around in the 80s, you should get this right away. But if you weren't, it may take you a minute. And if you don't get it at all, then you might want to go ask your parents. But this is just a new t-shirt I ordered that I found, and I thought it was pretty cool. I hope they sent me the right one. It's a Hanes. Oh yeah. There you go. FPV. Now, for some of you younger people, this is the logo taken from the logo of MTV, with the M and the little TV. So yeah, I just got this shirt in, and I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, that's what I got for you. So I appreciate you tuning in, and see you around. Drone Pool, signing out.